Alright, we're back over here at that plant that I showed you in the last video. You can still see there's carcasses everywhere, and there's freshly molded locusts that are just hanging out here. If you look back there on the house, or just on the foundation hanging out on the house, you can see quite a few shells down there on the ground. Then you come over here to the hostas. You can just see they're hanging out all over the hostas here. But you can just see all these holes here. They go all the way up to the front of the house, all over the yard. Like I said the other day, they just start popping up after those rains. This is just a follow-up video. And if you can see, hopefully it catches it, the amount of shells where they've shed at the base of this tree. Just tons of them. Tons of them had shed and moved on. A lot of shells still attached to the tree. It's weird because when they climb up on these trees or wherever they're going to shed, they're white when they come out of that until they change to the color more or less of that one right there. They come out just white. And I tried to video some of them, or just the sound they're making. I don't know how well it'll come out. I'll put that at the end of this video, but you should be able to hear them in the background right now. That's them. So that's what it's sounding like right now. So hopefully the other footage of me filming the sound will come through. So tons of them here in central Indiana. Just wanted to share it with you. Thanks for watching. As always, we'll see you in the next video.